How to choose legacy contacts on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to choose legacy contact on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and here just click this settings icon here in the top corner and go down until you find account settings. Click on it and now just go down again and here you will find the account ownership. Click on it and then click this one and now click choose legacy contact and just add your friend legacy or anything else. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.